رأس شعر عين أنف أذن فم لسان إصبع يد رجل قدم هذه أعضاء الجسم.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
May peace be upon you.
Mommy dear daddy too.
What is your name?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim, tell me kalma shahada.
كلمة شهادة أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
MashaAllah.
Batter cake, bake a man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pack it and prick it and mark it with B and put it on the oven for the baby and me.
Do you know any rhymes? Do you know I hear thunder?
Yes, I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you, oh, don't you. Peter, better raindrops, Peter, better raindrops. I'm a bad through.
Ibrahim, we see a lot of animals around us.
Yes.
Can you name some?
Camel, giraffe, cat, horse, cow, snake, dog, lion.
Good job. Do you know some animals live in water? Can you name some water animals?
Shark, whale, dolphin, octopus, whale, fish,
Which water animal do you like?
whale.
You like whale?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any favorite animal? What is your favorite animal?
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Yes.
Why?
This is big.
Because it is big and it has a very long neck, yes? Okay, do you know some of the fruits?
Yes.
Tell me names of the fruits that you know.
Apple, orange, banana, watermelon, mango,
What is your favorite fruit?
watermelon.
Watermelon, good. Ibrahim, do you know some of the wild animals?
Yes.
Tell me the names of the wild animals.
Bear, tiger, bear, hippopotamus, snake, crocodile, lion, rhinoceros.
Good job. One animal is very big and it opens its mouth huge. What is it called?
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. The animal which has a very long neck is called?
Giraffe.
The animal with the mane is called?
Lion.
Lion. There's one animal, it has a small horn on the nose. What is it called?
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros. There is one poisonous reptile that crawls on the ground. What is it called?
Snake.
Snake. There is one beautiful animal with stripes, with white and black and white stripes. It is called?
Zebra.
Good job. Do you know colors?
Yes.
What is the color of your hair?
Black.
What is the color of your coat?
Brown.
What is the color of sky?
Blue.
What is the color of banana?
Yellow.
What is the color of watermelon?
Green.
What is the color of apple?
Red.
Good job. Do you know kalma shahada?
Yes.
Tell me kalma shahada.
كلمة شهادة أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
MashaAllah. Do we need to keep our body clean or dirty?
Clean.
What should we do in order to keep our body clean?
Brush your teeth, wash your hands, bath, trim your nails, comb your hair.
Should we wear clean clothes or dirty clothes?
Clean.
Clean clothes. And what about nails? Do we need to have long nails or should we trim our nails?
Trim your nails.
Ibrahim, when we cross the road, where do we need to cross the road?
Zebra.
Zebra crossing. There is a traffic light. How many colors are there in the traffic light?
3.
3. What is the topmost color?
Red.
Then?
Yellow.
Then?
Orange. Green.
Orange or yellow is same. Then there's green. Tell me fruits in Arabic.
تفاح موز and برتقال وعنب.
Tell me vegetables.
لفت باذنجان منفوف جزر وفلفل.
Tell me counting 1 to 10. واحد.
واحد است ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة ثمانية تسعة
سبع ثمانية.
تسعة عشرة.
Good job. Do you know your fingers in Arabic?
Yes.
Tell me.
كنسر بنسر الحسنى سبابة إبها هذه أبو الأصابع.
Ismul Asad. Tell me the names of animals in Arabic.
جمل الإنسان وبقرة. جمل الإنسان ونمر غزال بقرة وفيل.
ما معنى جمل؟
Camel.
حصان means
Horse.
نمر means
Tiger.
بقرة means
Cow.
فيل means
Elephant.
good job أحسنت.
Do you know parts of your body?
Yes.
Tell me.
رأس شعر عين أنف أذن فم لسان إصبع يد رجل قدم هذه أعضاء الجسم.
MashaAllah. Good job. Tell me ألف باء.
ألف باء تاء ساء جيم هاء خاء دال زاء راء زاء سين شين صاد ضاد ضاء طاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون ياء ياء هذه الحروف الهجاء. ألف الأرنب يجري يلعب يأكل جزرا كيدا يتب باء بطق نطق.
Do you know كلمة شهادة?
Yes.
Tell me.
كلمة شهادة أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
Which surah do you know?
تبت يدا.
Tell me تبت يدا.
تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب سيصلى نارا ذات لهب وامرأته حمالة الحطب في جيدها حبل من مسد. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سورة الشمس والشمس وضحاها والقمر إذا تلاها والنهار إذا تلاها جلاها والليل إذا يغشاها والسماء وما بناها والأرض وما طحاها ونفس وما سواها فألهمها فجورها وتقواها.
قد أفلح
من دساها زكاها وقد خاب من دساها. كذبت ثمود بتقواها إذ انبعث أشقاها فقال لهم رسول الله ناقة الله وسقياها فقال لهم فكذبوه فعقروها فدمدم عليهم ربهم بذنبهم فسواها ولا يخاف عقباها.
ما شاء الله.
Huawei.
Muslim Cubs.
Huawei.
Muslim Cubs.
Huawei.
Muslim Cubs.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Huawei.